If you are using CapCut on your MacBook or Windows PC, then you might face this problem that you cannot find the logout option because they made it really hard to find. So to log out from your CapCut on your PC or MacBook, you just have to follow these steps. First of all, if you are on any other page, let's say you are inside any editing page or any other where you just, let's say I open this one, so you are inside your editing page. What you need to do, you just need to go on this CapCut icon and go back to home page. So once you are on home page, here you can see this option users. So from here, the users, you just need to click on this arrow icon, and once you click here, you can see this option to sign out. So just click here and sign out from this account. Let's do it. So as you can see, I click on sign out and now my account is successfully signed out. I can now click on sign in, and again I'll just log in with my account, this account or maybe another account. So this is the way. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.